Tyre jewellery incident. On the 16th of September 2024, in the tyre bay, a tyre fitter and a tyre manipulator operator were working on a vertical mount of a 5-piece wheel assembly for a Komatsu 830E. During the process, the tyre fitter was struck by a falling bead seat band and side ring, suffering significant injuries to his foot, arm and head. Prior to the incident, the tyre handler incorrectly used the equipment to fit the bead seat and side ring. Specifically, they used another tyre to weigh down the bead seat band in an attempt to fix it into place. This improper technique created unsafe working conditions. The bead seat band and side ring were first fitted to the tyre while it was in the horizontal position. The tyre manipulator operator then lifted the assembly into place, leaving a gap between the tyre and the rim to allow the tyre fitter to install the tyre sensing module to the rim. At this point, the tyre fitter had positioned themselves in the line of fire, exposing themselves to the risk of falling components. While the tyre fitter was working in this zone, the bead seat band and side ring fell from the assembly, striking the tyre fitter and causing significant injuries. The incorrect technique used during the procedure, coupled with the tyre fitter being within the line of fire, resulted in the falling components causing injury. To avoid such incidents in the future, the following techniques should have been employed. Option 1. If the rim is mounted on the truck, the tyre should be fitted first, and then the bead seat band and side ring assembly should be installed using the tyre manipulator. After that, the O-ring and lock ring should be fitted. Option 2. If the rim is removed from the truck, the tyre, bead seat band, side ring, O-ring and lock ring should all be fitted horizontally. The assembly should be pressurized to the recommended OEM pressure to ensure the bead seat band and side ring are properly seated. The assembly should then be deflated to between 20 psi and 30 psi to maintain the bead in the correct position before reattaching the assembly to the truck. Option 3. The tyre and components should be fitted to a spare rim. The assembly should be pressurized to the recommended OEM pressure, then deflated. The lock ring and O-ring should be removed before fitting the pre-seated jewellery and tyre onto the truck. Critical control. In all these techniques, a line of fire must be established and maintained wherever there is a risk of personnel being struck by a tyre, wheel rim components, or tyre handling equipment. A strict line of fire zone must be enforced during critical steps of the task, and hold points should be used when necessary to protect workers. The tyre handler operator is to positively communicate with fellow team members when it is safe to enter between the arms of the tyre handler. Furthermore, a review of the location for the tyre sensing module should be conducted. In many cases, the module could be fitted to the installed bead seat band, which would eliminate the need for workers to enter the line of fire. By following these correct procedures and ensuring proper safety protocols are in place, incidents like this can be prevented, ensuring a safer working environment for all involved in the tyre fitting process.